Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. So let's just start with today's app. So today's app is basically a learning app, which is basically a language learning app which has different languages. So you can learn the languages from this app. The purpose of the learning can be of various types, like for example if you're traveling to that country, so you can learn that language, or you can learn it for just for fun. So it has various purposes, and it gives you suggestions accordingly. So let's just get to the mobile screen and explore how the app is and how it looks. So this is the app guys, Drops Language Learning. So it has 4.7 rating and you can learn various languages like Japanese, French, German and many more. So let's just open it. So already I have tried some modules. So it has some free versions and some paid versions. So let's just start with some free module. Let's check. So I've selected for the language German. So I have a quiz here. So das Obst. So das Obst means fruits. So as I drag it over fruits, so yes, it's correct. So this is the next quiz what I have. So das Frühstück. So das Frühstück basically means breakfast. So let's just drag it on the breakfast, and here it is. Das Frühstück. So this is a new word, der Käse, which means cheese. So this is how the learning module works for this. So I have selected as a beginner one, and I am learning it just for the fun purpose. So here it is. So das Obst means fruits. So it has verbal as well and audio visual as well. So here's the new word, das Ei, which means egg. So similarly you can download and you can learn whatever language you want. So let's just stop this and see Premier benefits. So the costing for premium is 5,700 for a year. So it has 7 days free trial and it has unlimited drops. So basically the drops are those which can be which are new words. So these are some of the words what are upcoming, and let's just quit from here. So it tracks your words as well. So I have completed 5 words, so 5 to next milestone. So it has complete track of the session the last 7 days. And if I go to my profile, so I've selected the language German and I have a beginner level. So I can select different languages. So here are the list of the languages what are available. So you can download the app and look for whatever language you are looking. So basically it covers majority of the international languages. So it also has a feature of streak, like each day you have to complete 5 words, and the streak, it hits the streak and you get some rewards. So here's the statistics as well. This is what what we saw just now. And the pronunciation is open, sound is open, vibration is on, and these are various settings. And you have a notification setup. For example, you can set it at any convenient time, and it will give you a reminder that you have this specific language lessons. And if you want, so the words which you have learned is added to your collection. So you can also restart the topic from here. So as you can see, we have 3 minutes left yet to complete the training. So I'll just complete the training, and you download the app and tell me how it feels, how is your learning experience from this app. So yes, see you in the next step, see you in the next video. Bye bye.